What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Zella Black Star, aka DBS. So for today's video, I want to apply foundation using a cosmetic wedge instead of a beauty blender or a brush, etc. So let's do that and let's see if the makeup comes out okay. Because before the beauty blenders, right, we had the wedges. I'm using the Born This Way foundation, and if you're curious to know what color I am golden beige. And let's start from here. All right, so let's just focus on one side first. Kind of orangey, this color. I did get color matched, so this is the color that is suggested. But this is gonna be fine because in the summertime, right, we get a little bit more tan. I'm in New York, so we see the sun really in the summertime. Don't forget your ears. This is right now my face. Oh, and I primed my face before. So it's really doing a good job. Do you see the difference? Yeah, definitely. You can see the difference. Let me just bring that down here. You do tend to take longer. I feel like you take longer doing this way using the cosmetic wedge. However, it does look really nice. It really looks good on the skin. The foundation. Just on my forehead. So yeah, the cosmetic wedge, it applies the foundation really nicely. I like it. The only issue is that it takes a long time to apply it. It takes a long time to apply it, but if you have time, this is good to apply your makeup with. I think it looks good. I don't know on camera, I don't know if it is picking it up, but in person it looks really good. It looks really good on the skin. Just finished this with applying some bronzer and then applying blush. So I'm using the Hoola Benefit the bronzer, and this is from the this is the Wet n Wild contour brush. Not a makeup artist, not a beauty guru. I don't claim to be any of that. Draw a line. I know my hair is all messy. You guys know I have a baby. She's 2 now. But I lost a lot of my hair, you know, pregnancy hormones and all that stuff. So like I have a lot of the baby hairs growing out, and it's awkward still. And I don't use gel, so Blush, I'm not big into blush. Use this brush and then I'll buff it out. Now, let's highlight the Anastasia Glow Kits, and let's go in with the Dripping in Gold highlight. So I realized that I forgot to put concealer under my eyes, but that was not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video was to just try on foundation with a Cosmetic Wedge, and my final thoughts about it. I like it. I like how the Cosmetic Wedge applies to your face. The application is beautiful. However, it takes a little bit of time. But if you want a nice application with any method that you take, whether the brush or a beauty blender, it will take time. So, but yes, I really like it. I like the application. Hopefully on camera it takes it, you guys can see it. I forgot to take pictures of before and after. Well, after I'll do it now, but before I just screenshot the beginning of the video so you guys get an idea of how it looks. So if you guys like these kind of videos, please give this video a thumbs up. It will help me so much. If you are not subscribed, make sure that you join the family by hitting the red button down below. If you guys have any video requests, any suggestions, I am always willing to try it out. Please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you are subscribed, I want to say thank you so much for being a subscriber, for supporting me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.